What's up everyone, it's Christian from RackNerd, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to manually upload a new WordPress theme or plugin using cPanel's file manager. Now, why would you ever need to do this? Well, sometimes WordPress might fail to upload a theme or a plugin through the dashboard, especially if the file size is too large or if you're getting too many timeouts or permission errors. In those cases, the quickest solution is to upload the theme or plugin manually through File Manager. It is a simple process that gives you full control over what's being added to your site. And this is one of the biggest advantages of hosting your site with RackNerd's cPanel shared hosting. With File Manager built right in, you can upload, edit, and manage your WordPress files directly. No external FTP client needed. If you're not already hosting with us, I highly recommend checking out RackNerd.com. Our hosting plans make managing your site simple, secure, and reliable. Before we dive into the steps, please also let me mention that in our recent tutorials, I've shown you how to replace core files, edit the wp-config.php file, and troubleshoot themes using File Manager. This guide continues along the same lines, teaching you another quick and powerful way to manage your WordPress site right from cPanel. All right, let's get right into the steps. First, make sure that you have the theme or plugin file ready on your computer. WordPress themes and plugins are usually distributed as zip files. Next, log into your cPanel account. Once you're inside, scroll down and open the File Manager. From there, navigate to the folder where your WordPress site is installed, usually the public_HTML directory, unless your site is located in a subfolder. If you're uploading a plugin, open the WP-content folder and then the plugins folder. If you're uploading a theme, however, open the WP content folder and then the themes folder. Now click the upload button in the top toolbar and select the theme or plugin zip file from your computer. Once the upload is complete, go back to the File Manager and refresh your page. You should now see the zip file in that directory. Right-click on the zip file and select Extract to unpack the contents. After that, you can delete the original zip file to keep things organized. Finally, just log into your WordPress dashboard. If you've uploaded a plugin, go to the plugin section and look at the list of installed plugins and click on the Activate button for the plugin you just installed. On the other hand, if you've just uploaded a theme, go to the Appearance section, find your newly uploaded theme, and click Activate to make it live on your site. And that's it. You have successfully uploaded and installed a new WordPress theme or plugin manually using cPanel's File Manager. This method is especially helpful when the dashboard upload option fails or when you want to manage files directly. It's another great example of how RackNerd's cPanel hosting gives you flexibility and control. With the File Manager, you can manage everything from uploads to troubleshooting right from one place. So if you're looking for reliable hosting with cPanel access, head over to RackNerd.com. And if this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to subscribe to RackNerd TV for more simple step-by-step guides just like this one. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.